My name is Dirceu Boca. I'm from Mozambique, so all the way in Southern Africa. And I came here to pursue my undergrad in mechanical engineering. And I really wanted to come study here in the US, but being from Mozambique, the financials are not right. So that I need to get a full ride, which hopefully it happened. And I'm here studying mechanical engineering. And my end goal is to work with electric cars. The reason I studied mechanical engineering really is just like since a little kid, I always wonder how like things work. You know, the kid who just takes everything, breaks apart, and just how look at a TV. How is this possible? So I think that spirit just grew overall, and I feel like anywhere you go, you can always take something from it. And this was a role in manufacturing, and that can be one of the parts of mechanical engineering that I didn't have any experience on. And at the end of the day, I actually liked manufacturing more than I thought. And it just happened that I started applying for manufacturing roles even. So I'm gonna be interning at an electric vehicle manufacturing company in a manufacturing role. And one of the reasons I think that I got that internship is because I brought this manufacturing experience that I had from Paragon 1. It was amazing, I'm not gonna lie.